Hi everybody! Today we're going to have some fun and do a mystery drawing. You need to guess what this is going to be. Let's see how many lines and shapes it's going to take you for you to figure it out. So this is an 8x10 format. Go ahead and draw that at home and you can follow along. And the first thing I'm going to do over here in this upper left hand corner is I'm going to make a point right here. You can see that that makes a square if I do this. I'm going to put a point right there. I'm going to come straight across the line segment and stop it about there. And then I'm going to swing down with a curved line. Oh, I'd say about right here. There we go. Anyone know what it is yet? I don't think so. Alright, we're going to put another line segment there. And put one here. It's a diagonal line, it's kind of short. And let's go ahead and I'm going to make this line a little shorter. Let's go to here with that one. And we're going to swing this line all the way down. There we go. And let's put a diagonal line there. And let's go ahead and put a line here, and then halfway from this line to this line I'm going to put a very light line. On that line I'm going to put a circle about this big. There we go. I'll let you get caught up there. Alright, let's go ahead and join these two together. I'm going to put another circle up here. This one a little bit bigger. So we have two circles and one is slightly going behind the other one right here. I think I'm going to go ahead and make this a little narrower. You can always change your drawing. Okay, we're looking pretty good. So we're a little narrower at the bottom, wider at the top, and maybe you know who this is by now. Put a line there. We're going to erase this light guideline that these circles were resting on. Alright. How about we put in a curved line here and a curved line there. And under those curved lines we're going to have a long rectangle like that. There's one there. And we'll put one here. You must know who this is by now. Curved line from here to here. Let's put another curved line in. We're going to go from here right to here. Put a point right there. Join these 2 points together with a curved line. You know who it is yet? Put a curved line here. And we're going to put a shape over here. How about the end of this long rectangle we put a circle? Let's do the same thing on this side. We're going to go ahead and plot a point right there. We're going to go from this point to this point. We're going to come on down slightly diagonal, not vertical. And we're going to swing it back over and up. Rectangle here and a rectangle here. I'll let you get caught up. I bet you know who it is. Okay, let's see here. How about a long rectangle here circle on the end of it. And let's put a circle on the end of this. While we're at it, let's put a circle here. And a circle here. I guess we'll just make more circles. Put one here. And let's put one there. You must know who this is by now. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and put, actually let's erase the lines inside of this and inside of here. Erase, erase. Okay. And let's go ahead and put in a nose. Surely you know who this is by now. Here's our nose. We're going to erase what's inside. So the nose is in front of the eye. And ooh, excuse me. I'm going to put a square right there for a tooth. And a square here for a tooth. Right. Go ahead and put in a line here. And look, there's more space here than there is here, so don't put that line in the middle. We're going to come across this way. I think it's easy for you to know now that this is SpongeBob, right? Circle. Circle. And let's give him a little bit of a thumb right there, and then this shape, all of his fingers will fit inside of. And up in here, I'm going to put a curved line in like this for a thumb, and a pinky, and they're touching right there. See that? And you can erase the top part of that first shape, that circle. Look what we have left over. Look at that. And we have his ring finger and his index finger. Okay. I guess we could get in some eyelashes. He's got some cool eyelashes. Just little rectangles. 6 of them. Good. And let's come on down here and get his tongue in. It's just 2 curved lines. 1, 2. That's all. That's all there is to it. We have the end of his little smile right there. His cheek goes in front of his eyes. We're going to put that curved line in and then erase that part of the eye. So it overlaps. It's in front of the eye. Okay. I guess we could come down here and erase what's inside of this hand. And we have the index finger, the ring finger, and what's left over is the pinky. 3 fingers and a thumb. There we go. We can erase the wrist here and connect that to the hand. And let's come on down to the shoes. We have a rectangle shape for the heel of his shoe. And we're going to join these 2 circles together as one shape. See that? I can erase this. This is a curved line. This is a long cylinder right here going into his shoe. So there's one shoe. Do the same thing to this one over here. Rectangle. We're going to join these 2 shapes together. Erase. This is curved at the bottom because it's a cylinder. Same here, curved. And we'll join these two together like so. And it's got some socks on because this is a cylinder. This has to be a curved line right here. And right down the middle of his face, right here, we're going to put the top part of his tie in. And then we're going to come on down one line, and then two shorter lines. 1, 2. And then erase what's inside. And then we have this part of his shirt. It's just two kind of like stretched out letter V's. 1, 2. And we have some rectangles to put in for his belt. There's one on the side. And we have one coming out from behind the tie here. And look, if we keep going and we hit this edge and turn, it lines up with the top of that one. See that? The other side. Another rectangle here. Another rectangle there. Okay, SpongeBob. That's curved. Same idea as this. Curved. That's curved. And let's see here. We've got a couple of little freckles on his cheek. Got his bottom lip. It bumps up right there. Up, down. And let's fix the shape of the contour. The contour is this outer edge. That's kind of a wavy thing going there. And it tucks in to his pants. Erase that first line, leaving the wavy line. And we can put in some of these ovals. He's a sponge. Some stripes on his socks, a couple of reflections on his shoes, and we have a SpongeBob. Isn't that easy? So go ahead and finish yours up. If you want to color it and ink it, you can. And if you draw this a couple of times, you could probably memorize how to draw it and won't even have to really look at anything. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.